Okay, boys and girls, here we are, the 2015 Morro Bay Car Show Cruise Night, Friday night, led by a police car with 365 horsepower and a, looks like a white fire truck of some sort, an old fire truck, followed by a 40 Ford with 85 horsepower if it was still stock, but it isn't. It's very beautiful though, you'll see it. It's poking up behind this fire truck. It's a beautiful machine. I guess it's going to have it, it's going to be blocked. You won't see it. There you go. Now you can see part of it. Here comes a Plymouth convertible, Plymouth Fury convertible, and a Chevy Nova 69 through 72, 73, 74 Chevy Nova. That's an earlier one, small bumper car. Very nice. Look at that beautiful thing. And a Willys pickup. A Willys pickup. Making all kinds of good sounds. And a little T pickup with a supercharged motor. And that looks like a Ford Model A with a V8 engine in it. Here's a Model B Highboy coupe in black. A 57 Ford Ranchero. Gosh knows what he's got in that. Beautiful. And here comes the second wave, led by a Mercury 49, 50, 49 or 50, who knows. And a Plymouth Fury, 64 Plymouth Fury. Phase 2. They'll get here. And behind behind that purple Mercury is a Chevy 2 Nova. And there's a nice little Corvette. Now the Corvettes are coming through. Here's a Stingray. And a C1 behind it, a white, looks like a 60, 61. Ah, some 427 Cobras. A red, black. Ooh, look at that. 41 Ford pickup, maybe. 56 Ford pickup, for sure. And a somewhat chopped Deuce Highboy. Boy, these are some beautiful looking cars. Another full fender Deuce coupe with a SS 396 behind it, or 454. It might have been a 454. Wow, look at that black Camaro. Nice little 35 Ford convertible. The Chevy truck. Look at that. 3100. GT 350 Shelby. Nice Shelby, nice Shelby. Wow. A Sprite. My goodness, a real Sprite. And an Edsel. Aha. 58 Edsel. Here's a 41 Ford Standard, 40 Ford Standard coupe. Here's some more modern cars, 62 Chevrolet and a Pontiac Catalina. Yeah, Catalina convertible. How about that? I guessed right. Chevy pickup, Apache. Not really an Apache, is it? 3200. Now we're getting into the more quiet cars, it looks like. Oh, look at this 48 Ford. Isn't that beautiful, that coupe? 51 Ford's coupe, two-door sedan. 61 Chevrolet, 57 Chevy wagon.
Oh, that's awesome.
Man, some of these are beautiful. Look at that old Chevy truck. That's a beauty. Somebody has a real stock car for the street. Fuel injected 57. Ah, rat rod, the first rat rod of the night. '44 Deluxe just went by. 928 Porsche. Get a load of that. I never knew you'd see one of those here. 56 Ford Fairlane. Victoria. 50. Oh, it's Roadrunner Plymouth. Ah, Roadrunner. Boy, look at these things. 57 Chevy. Man, what a group. There's a nice Caddy convertible, white. Boy, does that look elegant. An elegant car. 57 Chevy. Beautiful, beautiful. Nicely painted. All these cars are gorgeous. All of them look like they really... V28. Lincoln V12 Zephyr. Man. Some beautiful cars going through here today. Some modern cars too, like that Chevrolet right there. It's about an 80s. 55 Chevrolet 4-door sedan. Looks nice. Looks nice. I like that. I love rancheros like that. Chevy. Boy, there's a lot of beautiful 555 Chevys they call 55, 56, 57. There's a lot of beautiful 555 Chevys here. Here's a Mustang, looks like a race car. Oh, Metropolitan, how about that? Hey. Here's a Corvette, Indianapolis 500. Ooh, look at that, whatever that is back there, I don't know. 56 Chevy, 57 Chevy, beautiful Nomad, man, wow. Nice Chevy Bel Air sedan, coupe, two-door rather. There's an orange Yellowino. 58 Chevy Biscayne, I'll be darned, a Biscayne. Uh-oh, there's a hot rod with a big loud engine. No. A Willys. These guys. This is an amazing array of cars. There's a 44 Deluxe. Volkswagen behind it, a Deuce Cabriolet or whatever, convertible, Roadster, 57 Chevrolet Biscayne, Plymouth Roadrunner convertible, 40 Ford behind it, 40 Ford Standard I believe. Oh, a T-Bird, first T-Bird of the night, 57 T-Bird, first T-Bird of the night. Man, look at these things. These are gorgeous. I can sure smell the gasoline too. It's amazing. These cars don't have very much emission controls on them. I can smell the gasoline. Look at this 58 Impala. Now there's a classic. That's a beauty. 55 Chevys. A brace of 55 Chevys. Beautiful, beautiful cars. In fact, there's 3 of them. And a 57. What a beautiful bunch of cars. These guys really did a good job. Now there's a 47 Ford, I believe, or 46. It's a beautiful car too. Boy, they're all nice. It's a Deluxe 40 in green and light tan coming up. SS 396, 34 Ford for sale. That's a beautiful 44 Deluxe. Ah, Falcon Sprint. Boy, you don't see many of those around. That's a nice looking one too. Lots of motor in that. Probably Cobra powered. A Buick triple tone. They had those in the 50s. I remember those things. Here's a 46 or 47 Ford convertible. Isn't that pretty? Nice looking cars. And here are Corvette, Chevrolet pickup. And the boys are coming by again. What beautiful cars, man. Well, we're going to find someplace else to look at these cars. And we'll sign off. We shall sign off.